I invite Dr. Praveen Bhatia, who is Medical Director at Bhatia Global Hospital and a Senior Surgeon at Sir Gangaram Hospital. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. In God we trust, all others must bring data. And I am going to have 3 minutes and 3 thoughts. One is impact of lockdown, testing, tracing, and you have seen that we are bending the curve or not. It, as compared to United States and other countries, definitely the answer is yes, we are bending the curve. In last 1 month of lockdown, the infection rate, if you can see, when the lockdown was clamped on March 25th, the infection rate doubled to in 3.1 days. And now the infection is doubling in 8.6 days. Similarly, deaths from 4 days initially when the lockdown was started, and now it takes for the doubling to be in 11 days. And how have we fared vis-a-vis the world? If we start from first case to the 80th day, you can see the Indian numbers. Numbers have definitely been less of both cases as well as deaths because of the lockdown. It has a lot of impact. The mortality rate has also been restricted to 3.2% vis-a-vis in comparison with UK, Spain, Italy, which are hovering between 13 and 10%. Why? Because we are very, very sure that we want to flatten the curve. As our Prime Minister had also requested that religiously lockdown has to be observed. If, for example, if the number of cases rise suddenly, if the lockdown is broken in few days, then the healthcare facility may not be resources may not be as adequate as it should have been. And that will cause another spike, another wave, and that can lead to different disasters. So thinking is, yes, we should control it. And I would give this Lancet presentation, which has been published just today. And it is the journal, all of us know, it has the maximum impact factor. They have complimented India for the tough and timely action of putting the lockdown. Why India has been favored is because of 65% of our population is less than 35 years, though they have condemned that the rate of testing has been very low and it has to be expanded exponentially. Thanks to ICMR, initially on March 24th, 25th, only 2,000 tests were performed, but now we are performing 41,000 tests every day. And that is the reason that we have been able to control, to make the different zones and then discard and ultimately treat the patients. Our thinking is, all of us have been hearing from the morning that this Arogya Setu is definitely an excellent thought. And it was announced by Prime Minister also. This is my last slide in which I am going to present a few words that it is good to note that 75 million downloads have been there. And in last, if the telephone was there, it took 75 years. The radio took 38 years. Internet took 4 years. Facebook took 19 months. And Arogya Setu has been downloaded by 50 million people in just 13 days. If it is popular, if it is useful, and another aspect is that once we are on the verge of breaking or withdrawing the lockdown, then only it is going to make a difference. So our thoughts are that as a doctor, as a surgeon, I would request you all that stay home, stay safe. God bless us all. We are in a positive situation. We will be able to show the world and WHO and every other country that yes, we had excellent leadership and we have been able to control because of IT also. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Bhatia, for presenting the Indian perspective on COVID. And as you say that we have shown to the world, we have shown to the WHO